Latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvane lo amathima amaningi athenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na kwindaba esizitholile ke namhlanje ihamba phambili zingomdlali obedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns okuba na okuLucas Ribeiro Costa nyamazi ke bafethu uRibeiro. There were many rumors surrounding him with a potential return to iMamelodi Sundowns. If you remember last season the player terminated his contract with iMamelodi Sundowns, but again iMamelodi Sundowns were opposing that decision eyenziwe yena uLucas Ribeiro. Yabo FIFA granted the player ithuba lokuthi ke abe eyitholela iclub okwesikhashana ibe le ndaba le ilungiswa behind the scenes. Umjida ke wasayina with the second division club eyale eSpain. If you remember ke wadlala umjida last season yake leyo club le yaseke irelegatewa. Currently umjida ube free agent ingekho iteam ayidlalelayo. Remember he terminated his contract with the Mamelodi Sundowns with the help of abameli bakhe bale eBelgium. Yabo basebenzisa ilo entsha eyalethwa yini na yalethwa yiFIFA. Kubuya ngathi ke iMamelodi Sundowns iyahluleka ngempela ukuthi ke ilinqobe udaba lakhe uLucas Ribeiro. uLucas Ribeiro befunwa iclub ebizwa ngeAl Ittihad, but kubuya ngathi ke leyo club le ihlulekile ukuthi ke inqobe isignature yakhe umjida. Naku ke iAS Tunis isiphumela ubala. Kuthiwa ke umjida uzondiza ayele eTunisia ayosayina icontract yakhe on a 3 year. Uyosayina icontract ya 3 years with iAS Tunis. Le indaba ikhishwe yintatheli zale Tunisia ukuthi ke umjida uzoba umdlalo omusha weAS Tunis. Yabo Mamelodi Sundowns ke ibinethembo ukuthi ke imbuyise azodlala kuyona iBetway Premiership kule season esizoyiqala, but ke nabo behluleka. Ngeke ngazi ngangitshela ama comments ukuthi ke uzizwa kanjani ngale move le eshawu yena uRibeiro Costa, because abantu abaningi bebenalo ithembo ukuthi ke uzobuya kule squad esikhona vele seMamelodi Sundowns esinabadlali vele abayiquality, okubala khona oSiyanda Ndlovu, okubala khona oLeon, okubala khona oSantos, baningi nje abadlali yabo, but ke umjida it looks like he won't come back kweMamelodi Sundowns. Bese indaba esizwile namhlanje kuthiwa ke ivalue kabanini akambekezele imbukazi engathi ke isikhuphukile ivalue yakhe njengamanje. Umdlali uma udinga ukumsayina umbekezele imbukazi lo mdlali lo kumele ukhiphe imali ebalela la ko 200 kuya ku 300 million rands. Yabo 16 million up until 18 million euros. Masuyi converter ke leyo mali leyo ibalela la ko 300 million rands. Ayikho iteam ekhona la eAfrica engam-afforda yena umbekezele imbukazi. Lokho kusho ukuthini na? Kusho ukuthi ke ama club umbekezele imbukazi asengama-afforda manje ama club ale ko Europe. Yabo indlela adlala ngakhona umjida ilevel yabo asekuyona ukudlala kwakhe ku World Cup kuyikhuphulile ngempela ilevel yakhe. Yabo so kuyiqiniso ngempela ukuthi ke umbekezele imbukazi okubi Orlando Pirates yathi kumgcina kancane ayodlala le kuyona iWorld Cup ivalue yakhe izokhuphuka kakhulu. Naku ke ivalue yakhe isikhuphuka kakhulu, but ke Orlando Pirates yathatha isinqumo esihle kakhulu ukuthi ke imdedela umjida kuseile ayodlalela yona iChicago. Yabo because njengoba manje umbekezele imbukazi ikwazi ukuthi ke imphushe iChicago. Maningi amathima amaningi ale ko Europe asemazi manje ngenxa yayo iChicago FC. Yabo so ngiyayishayela na izandla mimdayisa umbekezele imbukazi iyobe ithola imali yangempela. Na iPirates ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa ke uma esedayisa umbekezele imbukazi khona ingxenye yemali ezoyithola. So big ups uyena umbekezele imbukazi with the agent yakhe leyakwa ukuthi ke imtholele imove eyale kuMLS. Lezi indaba eziphumile kabafethu uSpesihle Maduna ngenzeka asayine with AmaZulu. Remember uSpesihle Maduna recently was released by yona iTS Galaxy. So ubizo wakhe uyena ozogqoka unumber 10 umdlalo sathanda kusayino uSpesihle Tati uyena unikezwe leya nombolo leya unumber 10. Yabo umjida ke ubeyidlalela iKaizer Chiefs wa kwile Rumo bamsayine nje bedlalela ile Rumo. Kuthiwa ke uyadlala lo mfana lo uSpesihle Tati kuyikona uthi ke angazi ngwabona ama games akhe amaningi. Let's hope masimbona ku Betway Premiership uzodlala ngempela, but ke yena uSpesihle Maduna ngenzeka umjida ajoine AmaZulu kuyona le season le. Kwezi indaba eziphumile kubafethu iclub esathana promote nje keMotsepe Foundation ebizwa ngeHope FC kuthiwa ngenzeka abasayine umdlalo oqhamuka le Eastern Cape igama lakhe ubani nawo Thamsanqa Magwaza bambiza ngoShaka abamaziyo odlalela inina odlalela Skukhuna United currently. So umjidi uyalazi ngempela ibhola indlela adlala ngakhona ukumbona nawo indlela alijanga ngakhona. So ngiyayithanda lento le eyenziwa iHope FC most of the time they like to sign those players abasakhula kancane yabo mase ke besayina abadlali abane experience. You see this player right here bafethu usayintwana yabo usengakwazi ke akhule ngaphansi kwalabadlali abakhona kuHope FC. Maybe Hope FC izokwazi ke ipromote iye kuBetway Premiership next season, who knows. What I like about le team le owner umuntu obedlalela iKaizer Chiefs yabo Menmazi uBuchanan bafethu yena owner le club le ebizwa ngayo iHope FC. Kweze indaba eziphumile ke bafethu ama-Tuks kweze indaba eziphumile ke bafethu ke University of Pretoria ama-Tuks aselande the former Chippa United defender okumsekeli imvalo uzoba ke assistant coach kaMichael Loftman. Niyamazi kuMichael Loftman ulobe semisana no coach ba iMamelodi Sundowns uyena currently coach wayo ama-Tuks. So bazolanda ke i-assistant yakhe uthi ke izomsiza kuyona leya project leya abazama ukuyakha lapha eUniversity of Pretoria. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ke bafethu ugoalkeeper weTS Galaxy okubana okuIra Tape umjida ke usesayine iminyaka emibili extra kuyona icontract yakhe with iTS Galaxy. Buya ngathi ke iTS Galaxy yamthemba impela umjida wase Ivory Coast and ke uyakwazi ukumblame uyena uTape bafethu ngama games a few. Yena umjida uyakwazi ukuvimba yabo uyakwazi ukuvimba but ke seems like le game eOrlando Pirates expose kakhulu umjida but ke TS Galaxy yamthemba ngempela ikhuphulile icontract yakhe. Let's hope kule season ezoqala uzokwazi ke enze kahle umjida. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kabafethu iKruger United namhlanje announcele ama signings wayo amaningi kakhulu. Qala nje lapha phezulu ba-announce ugoalkeeper lo goalkeeper ke lo bafethu uFiesi Ntwari Nyamazi umjida ubedlalela iKaizer Chiefs but ke right now ukwi-loan ukuyona iKruger United yabo. Let's hope ukuyona iKruger United umjida uzowenza kahle kakhulu akwazi ke abuyise ithemba kuyena iKaizer Chiefs mase ke imlanda back azobuyela adlale kuyona. Abanye abadlali ababiziwe uSanele Shabalala, uKwanda Mgonyama, kuba uLwanda Mbanjwa, Sikho Sonke Langa, Mlungisi Zwane, Shane Saralina, Thabang Sibanyoni, Katlego Mohame, Tumelo Mogwalane, Motsi Matima, Tathenda Tavengwa, Sydney Fakude, mase kuba uPhathunenzo Musekwa, mase kuThendo Mukumela. Ibona ke abadlali laba ba-announcewe namhlanje abasayinwe iyona iKruger United. It looks like they've went into the market and looked and saw potential signings bathola ke nama free agents lapho nalapho njengoba sibabona nje okwanda Mgonyama. Kwezinye izindaba esizwile ke bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ikhuphule icontract kabani na ikhuphula icontract kaNkosingiphile Ngcobo. Siyakhumbula ke bafethu ngikhuluma ngayo uNkosingiphile Ngcobo. He was one of those players ongenzeka umjida ke ayishiya iKaizer Chiefs because of icontract yakhe njoba nje izophela but ke looks like iKaizer Chiefs iyamthemba ngempela umjida kule season nje lezoqala. Let's hope umjida uba ne season eright engezuba nje nama injuries because siyamazi umjida unawo ukulimala lapho nalapho but ke yena umjida uyalazi ibhola. Truth be told umjida ke uyalazi ibhola. There are some few players iKaizer Chiefs engakaphumeli obala isinikeze inkinga ngabe isinikeze like feedback regarding bona. Kubalwa nje oLilepo, kubalwa nje oCele yabo. Asikakatholi any feedback regarding those players but we are hoping to get feedback because izoqala nje kungekudala iBetway Premiership yabo. So njoba nje izoqala these players kumele athole ama clubs sooner or later.